How to find barcode in Cash App to deposit money at Walgreens. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can find barcode in Cash App. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Cash application. Once you have opened it up, now navigate to the bottom left corner and tap on your dollar amount. After that, you will land on the next page. There, look for an option that says paper money and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will land on next page. Here, you will find a show barcode button. Tap on it. Again, a pop-up will appear in your interface. From there, tap on show barcode. That will take you to next page where you can see or find your Cash App barcode. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.